zucchini, which is optional, garlic, onions, and what is it called? The herbs, the flavored herbs. And since I didn't have bread, I've substituted with the with the potato. So I grated it. I did not have time to boil it. I always put zucchini because it is for my kids. The small one who doesn't like eating vegetables. Salt. And then you mix everything. This is how I personally prepare the meatballs. This is my way. My way of preparing meatballs. So I'm done. I just need to make the balls and then I will fry them. So now let's make the balls. Time for to fry. So I'm going to fry them for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then I don't know, because I want to put them again. They're going to be cooked again with the tomato. So you can just go to add them a little bit. I've already removed the one with the tomato, and this one I've left for it to be cooked again for another 3 minutes, because this one is the best. The kids want to eat, so look at here. And then I add salt, a little bit. I've already put garlic, oil, salt. I let it cook for 2 minutes, and then I'll add the meatballs. Okay, now I'll put them. And then I'll let it cook on a
Io canto solo pane, ma mio marito deve solo pane in casa.
I'll let it